This is crazy. What the hell is this? And now, let's go on a challenging journey as the trucks struggle to transport wood through the most dangerous terrain. In the middle of the cold winter, the DAC roared with power as it climbed the slippery slope. The engine of more than 300 horsepower worked at full capacity. The wheels spun strongly and gripped the icy road. Its strength and durability were evident in every determined throttle. It didn't stop there. In the middle of the icy slope, the truck suddenly slid backward with the engine roaring in desperation. The wheels spun frantically for traction, the exhaust billowing wide across the slope, a breathtaking moment that showed the fragile line between power and control. The giant tractor began to move, dragging the giant chain that screeched violently as it rolled across the ground. Each turn of the chain was heavy but powerful, crushing the soil and rocks below. The sound of metal clashing echoed throughout the space, creating a scene full of the power and majesty of industrial machinery. LKT-81 appears like a real steel warrior. Wow, the engine of more than 150 horsepower roars fiercely, pulling heavy logs sliding on the thick snow surface. The deep plowing tracks, each strong pull shows the endurance, power, and spirit to conquer harsh nature. Dramatic. The PowerTrack sugarcane tractor was pulling a load weighing dozens of tons, causing the front of the vehicle to lift off the ground in an effort to overcome the terrain. The engine roared at full power, the rear wheels spun wildly, creating a powerful, tense, and spectacular scene that demonstrated the incredible will and endurance of this machine. Oh my god, the giant man's 75i belt was stuck in the thick mud, carrying a load of tens of tons. The engine roared violently, the wheels spun and sprayed mud everywhere, but the machine still struggled. A dramatic, breathtaking scene, overwhelmed by mechanical power. In the middle of the treacherous road through Papua, the brave 4x4 trucks rush into muddy potholes as if entering a real battle. The engines roar, the wheels spin, kicking up mud. Each bounce is a test of the limits of traction and grip. A breathtaking, wild, and adventurous scene where only the most powerful machines can advance. Tractor battle of the century. USA versus Belarus. United States-Belarus. Two heavyweight machines, the Belarus 1221 and the New Holland, face off in a thrilling tug-of-war. Engines roar, wheels churn up mud, diesel fumes fill the air. Each pull is a battle of strength, endurance, and mechanical honor. Who will win? A breathtaking scene. New Holland TD110 and Lamborghini Grand Prix L5 join forces to pull a heavily laden Scania truck that is sinking in deep mud. The engine roars loudly. The tow rope is about to break. The wheels spin and spray mud everywhere. The strength, coordination, and will to conquer are evident in every moment. A spectacular mechanical rescue in the harsh nature. Spectacular. What the Basic 2075 say. The New Holland TD110 heroically pulled back to the ground. The wheels spun in the mud. The engine roared endlessly. Each pull was tense like a battle between will and gravity. A dramatic moment of recovery, demonstrating the strength, durability, and never-give-up spirit of legendary agricultural machines. If you are also impressed with this spectacular rescue, leave a like and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the most dramatic and eye-catching tractor battles. Not stopping there. Our agricultural machines are still resiliently moving forward, continuing to transport timber over rugged terrain. The engines roar through mud and gravel. The wheels spin but never falter, a testament to their strength, durability, and relentless work ethic. A chaotic and dramatic scene. 5 giant tractors were stuck in the deep mud one after another, their wheels spinning desperately. Engines roared, smoke billowed. Each machine struggled to find a way out. Mud splashed everywhere. The sound of steel clashing echoed. A fierce battle between mechanical power and nature. In the midst of a desolate and challenging landscape, the mighty MTZ tractor was suddenly stuck in a deep swamp. The engine roared as it tried to escape. The wheels spun and sprayed mud everywhere. Each press of the accelerator was a tense, suffocating, and mechanically powerful battle with nature. In the muddy field after a heavy rain, the MF283 tractor and plow were suddenly completely stuck in deep mud. The engine roared incessantly, the wheels spun in despair. It took more than 3 hours of struggle to get out of the harsh ordeal, showing the endurance and resilience of real farmers. The muddy road was steep on the cliff. LKT suddenly got stuck between deep mud and slippery rocks. The engine roared trying to escape. The track spun and sprayed mud down the cliff. The scene was both breathtaking and spectacular, showing the strength, recklessness, and indomitable spirit of this forestry machine. A dramatic rescue. The Tatra 148 bravely plunged into the deep swamp to carry out the rescue mission. The engine roared loudly. The wheels spun in the thick mud. Each throttle press created a mud wave. Despite the harsh conditions, the Tatra 148 still proved the extraordinary pulling power and indomitable spirit of this mechanical legend. Next is the dramatic pull of the LKT. In the muddy ground and rugged terrain, the engine roared continuously. The deep tracks plowed, creating mud splashes. Each pull was a battle between power and limit, showing the will to conquer and the extraordinary ability of this forestry machine. A powerful scene at the Labrianidis Mining Company. The Caterpillar D8, our bulldozer with a powerful engine of more than 300 horsepower, roared loudly as it pushed the giant rock weighing tens of tons. The bulldozer blade dug deep into the ground. Each decisive push caused the rock to shatter, dust flying everywhere, a display of ultimate mechanical power that left everyone in awe. The Valtra 1280 and 1580 combined to create an incredible display of power. The two powerful machines roared loudly, pulling the giant chain through the heavy ground together. Mud was kicked up, the engine noise mixed with the rumble of the iron chain, creating a majestic scene of mechanical power and tireless work spirit. In the middle of the muddy field, the John Deere tractor was stuck deep, the wheels spinning desperately. At that moment, the Mahindra tractor with its special cage wheels appeared, roaring powerfully to the rescue. Each powerful pull, each powerful rotation, the mud splashed everywhere, an impressive cooperation between the two machines, showing the great strength and spirit of cooperation in modern agriculture.